friend, the new electric wheelchair have been explored. Let's have a look. Pass the roadblock easily. Reflective strips alert others. The spring enhances the dot obstacle avoidance function. 3 control way help you dot use it more convenient. Users can control move by shelf dot dot. It can adjust direction and speed. Friend or family can utilize the dot rear control to easily operate the user. The wheelchair can also be controlled to move by using the remote control. Fold it up and put it in the trunk. It's convenient for traveling.